Welcome to our portable washing showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular mini washing machines, the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Elevon portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and portability, but they cater to different needs. Let's take a closer look at their features and see how they stack up against each other. The DXJJ portable washing machine features a compact and foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. In contrast, the Elevon portable washing machine has a twin tub design, which allows for separate washing and spinning but requires more space. While the DXJJ is perfect for those with limited storage, the Elevon offers more functionality with its dual compartments. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon portable washing machine takes the lead with an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity, compared to the DXJJ's 10L. This makes the Elevon more suitable for larger loads, while the DXJJ is ideal for smaller, quick washes. If you frequently do laundry for multiple people, the Elevon may be the better choice. The DXJJ portable washing machine offers basic functionality with 3 washing modes, while the Elevon portable washing machine includes advanced features like a built-in drain pump and separate spinning tub. This makes the Elevon more versatile for users who want a more comprehensive washing experience. However, the simplicity of the DXJJ may appeal to those who prefer a straightforward approach. In conclusion, if you're looking for extreme portability and compact storage, the DXJJ portable washing machine is a great choice. However, if you need a more functional washer with separate washing and spinning capabilities, the Elevon portable washing machine is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.